Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Hazim bin Nasruddin and my metric number is AF190010. So I'm from group 3, which is given topics on composite materials by using waste. Regarding to our topics, I will talk about the introduction. Okay, composite materials, which are also referred as composition materials or briefly composites, as the most frequently used term in a combination of two materials with different physical and chemical properties. The reason they are used over traditional materials is because they improve the properties of their base materials. So what are waste materials? Waste materials are pretty much anything left over in the end of a process or generated as part of the process but not used. So for our groups, we will use fiber coconut. And that's all for me for the introduction. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Irshad Hakim bin Harisam and I'm going to talk about the website. There has been a major problem which is the excesses of waste in all of the country of the world. There are 5 types of waste, which is liquid waste, solid waste, organic waste, recyclable waste and hazardous waste. In this project, we are using the coconut fiber as the material for the building. As we use the coconut fiber, we can protect the environment and the natural resources such as clay and sand. At first, we shred the coconut fiber into small pieces and we mix it with the right proportion to make the brick. Then we pour it into the mold and let it dry for the 7 days. Next, it will be fired for another 7 days so we can gain the good strength of the brick.
Assalamualaikum and hey everyone. My name is Muhammad Amirul Haziq bin Bahrum. My number metric is AF1901J3. Today I want to talk about the material that my team used to do in this project. There are 4 types of material, which are coconut fiber, clay, river sand and bricks. Coconut fiber, which can call it as coil, is a natural fiber extracted from the outer husk of coconut and used in products such as floor mat, doormat, brushes, and mattress. Next, the material that we use are clay. Clay is a type of fine-grained natural soil material that contains clay minerals that develop plasticity when wet. Clays are plastic due to particle size and geometry as well as water and become hard when we drying and firing. The third material that we use is brick. A brick is a type of block used to make a wall, pavement and other elements in masonry construction. Bricks can be joined together using mortar, adhesive or by interlocking them. There are many classes, types and materials of bricks that can produce in bulk quantities. Last material that we use are sand. Sand is a granular material composed of finely divided rock and mineral particles. It is defined by size, being finer than gravel and coarser than silt. The composition of sand varies depending on the local rock source and condition, such as silica and quartz.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Ahmad Syafiq Akmal bin Abdul Rahman, AF180182. So I will discuss about my part, which is result and discussion. For this project, we run through 3 tests. The first test is a water absorption test on the bricks. So absorption test is conducted on brick to find out the amount of moisture content absorbed by brick under extreme conditions. In this test, sample dry bricks are taken and weighed. After weighed, these bricks are placed in the water with full immersing of a period of 24 hours. Then weight of the wet brick and note down its value. The difference between dry and wet brick weights will give the amount of water absorption. So this is the result for this test. You can see here the sample here, which is on a normal brick. We can see the percentage of water absorption is lesser than and the other bricks which contains the coconut fibers. For a good bricks, we need the bricks with percentage of water absorption below 24%. So this can conclude that the brick with coconut fiber still manageable uh, below the 20% mark. Then the second test is compressive strength for the brick. So we can see the result here. The compressive strength of the normal bricks are lesser with the bricks with 5% and 10% coconut fiber. But for bricks with 15% coconut fiber, it is actually lesser than the normal bricks. So in this case, we can see the perfect amount for the coconut fiber is 5 to 10% only. Here another table for the result in test after the brick was burned. The burn brick were tested for water absorption. Water absorption rate has been used as an indication for porosity of the brick. So basically it means that um, we complete this test again for know the porosity of the brick.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nakib Abdul Malik, and my metric number is AF180. is more effective than conventional concrete. And that's all from me, and that's all for our project, and thank you so much.